What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best PC cases on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Fractal Design North. The Fractal Design North Mid-Tower PC case is a distinctive and visually stunning offering that seamlessly merges mid-century modern design elements with efficient high airflow functionality. It comes in 2 variations. One with a mesh side panel, which we tested, and the other with a tempered glass side panel. Both options offer their unique aesthetic charm, with the white model featuring elegant chrome accents on the I/O ports and feet, while the black model boasts eye-catching brass details. What sets the North apart is its ability to seamlessly integrate into your living room or workspace as a stylish piece of furniture, rather than merely serving as a functional PC case. The wooden slats, in particular, give it a timeless and sophisticated appearance. From a practical standpoint, the North offers impressive cooling performance. It includes 2 140mm fans that ensure efficient ventilation. Moreover, the mesh side panel model comes with an additional side bracket that can accommodate another pair of 140mm fans, although these are not included. This excellent cooling capability helps maintain optimal temperatures for your components, ensuring stable and reliable performance. However, it's worth noting that the North's thermal efficiency may come at the expense of noise levels, especially in the mesh model. If you prioritize reduced noise, opting for the tempered glass side panel may help mitigate this issue, though it could marginally affect thermal performance. Ultimately, the Fractal Design North Mid-Tower PC case offers a unique and innovative blend of style and functionality. Priced at $130, it represents a compelling choice for those seeking a PC case that not only performs well but also stands out as a work of art. This case's bold design direction could potentially inspire other manufacturers to explore creative and unconventional case designs in the future. Number 2. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact. Fractal Design has always been known for its commitment to creating functional and aesthetically pleasing PC cases, and the Meshify 2 Compact is no exception. This compact mid-tower case offers a solid foundation for building ATX gaming systems while maintaining a timeless and elegant design that won't go out of style. One of the standout features of the Meshify 2 Compact is its exceptional cable management space. The case is intelligently laid out, providing ample room to route and hide cables, resulting in a clean and organized interior. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your build, but also improves airflow and cooling efficiency. Practicality is a key focus of this case's design. It incorporates easily accessible filters, simplifying the maintenance process for users. Keeping your system clean and dust-free is a breeze with the Meshify 2 Compact, thanks to its well-thought-out filter placement. While some might argue that the materials used in this case are not as premium as they could be, it's essential to remember that the Meshify 2 Compact prioritizes functionality over flashy aesthetics. It's a case that you can rely on for years to come, adapting to your evolving needs and preferences. However, there are a couple of caveats to consider. First, the case's price point might be slightly higher than some competitors in its category. Second, if you're a fan of RGB lighting, you won't find it here. Nevertheless, the Meshify 2 Compact's well-executed and practical design justifies its cost. In a world where many cases prioritize style over substance, this chassis serves as a reminder that a well-designed, user-friendly case can make all the difference in your PC building experience. Number 3. Phanteks Eclipse G360A. Phanteks has a well-established reputation for delivering exceptional value and performance with its PC cases, and the Eclipse G360A continues this tradition. Priced at around $100, it's only slightly more expensive than its predecessor, the Eclipse B360A, but it offers several notable improvements that make it a compelling choice for PC builders. One of the standout features of the Eclipse G360A is its enhanced cooling capabilities. Unlike its predecessor, this case includes an extra RGB fan, bringing the total to 3 fans. What sets these fans apart is their PWM, pulse width modulation, support, which not only contributes to better cooling efficiency, but also allows for more precise noise control. This means you can keep your system running cool and quiet, even during demanding tasks or gaming sessions. Another notable upgrade is the added support for larger 360mm radiators at both the top and front of the case. This expansion in radiator compatibility opens up opportunities for advanced cooling solutions, perfect for users who want to push their system's performance to the limit. While the Eclipse G360A offers exceptional value, it's important to note that it isn't without a few design quirks. However, these minor inconveniences are far outweighed by the benefits it provides, especially considering its budget-friendly price point. The Phanteks Eclipse G360A is an outstanding choice for budget-conscious gamers and PC builders. It strikes an impressive balance between affordability, efficient cooling, and attractive RGB lighting. Even if budget constraints are not your primary concern, the Eclipse G360A demonstrates that you don't have to break the bank to enjoy excellent airflow and aesthetics in your PC case. While you could spend more on alternatives, this case exemplifies that quality and performance can be achieved without a hefty price tag, making it a worthy addition to any PC build. Number 4. Lianli PCO11 Air Mini. Lianli's PCO11 Dynamic has long been a favorite choice for PC builders looking to create visually stunning systems. However, with the introduction of the O11 Air Mini, it appears that there's a strong contender for those seeking an alternative, and possibly even an improvement. Priced at a reasonable $110, the Lianli O11 Air Mini offers an impressive package of features that make it an excellent value for money. The case comes equipped with 3 PWM fans, ensuring efficient cooling right out of the box. Its design incorporates sleek aluminum elements and a tempered glass panel, delivering an attractive appearance that's sure to please users with an eye for aesthetics. One of the standout features of the O11 Air Mini is its full ADX compatibility, which provides ample space for various components and configurations. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of PC builds, from gaming rigs to workstations. The case's internal layout is another highlight. Despite its unusual side-by-side chambered design, it offers a surprisingly straightforward building experience. This design decision doesn't compromise performance either, as the case meets contemporary standards for cooling and hardware compatibility. The O11 Air Mini boasts a generous selection of I/O ports, ensuring that users have easy access to connectivity options. This convenience enhances the overall user experience and makes daily tasks more manageable. With its combination of compelling features, eye-catching design, and affordability, the Lianli O11 Air Mini clearly deserves its spot on this list. It represents a strong contender for those looking to build stylish and functional systems without breaking the bank. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply a PC enthusiast, this case has the potential to meet your needs and elevate your PC building experience. Number 5. Cooler Master HAF700 EVO. This is a premium PC case that combines innovative features, impressive performance, and spacious design to cater to the needs of demanding PC enthusiasts. While it comes with a relatively high price tag of $500 or more, it offers a host of features that make it a compelling option for those seeking both aesthetics and performance. One of the standout features of the HAF700 EVO is its unique design elements. The front of the case features an edge-lit RGB glass grille with a circular LCD display, providing a visually striking and customizable look. Additionally, an infinity mirror serves to conceal less attractive components while showcasing the beauty of your internal hardware. These design choices cater to users who prioritize the aesthetics of their PC builds. The case also excels in terms of performance. It consistently ranks at or near the top of testing charts, thanks in part to its impressive cooling capabilities. Equipped with 2 sizable 200mm intake fans and 3 smaller 120mm fans, it ensures efficient heat dissipation. Moreover, with support for up to 18 fan mounts, users have ample room for additional cooling options to optimize airflow further. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.